Hello everyone, I'm Poornima and welcome back to Amma's Healthy Recipes. Today I'm going to show you two things. First one is how to sprout ragi, also known as finger millet. The second one is how to make sprouted ragi flour at home. When you sprout ragi or finger millet, the calcium levels increase by almost 20% when compared to the ragi which is not sprouted. Sprouted ragi also increases the iron content by almost 10 times. Sprouting reduces anti-nutrients such as phytic acid, polyphenols, etc., which otherwise lock up the minerals which are hard for the body to digest. Since there is a reduction in anti-nutrients due to sprouting, the body easily absorbs calcium, iron, and various minerals and vitamins present in the ragi. It is a rich source of antioxidants. The sprouted ragi naturally grows a vitamin that most vegetarians lack, and that is called vitamin B12. Let's watch how it's done. Press your palm on the sprouts, and if it is sticking onto your palms, then it is wet. So now it's dry, it's not sticking onto your palms anymore. You can store this ragi flour in the fridge, or you can roast the ragi flour and keep it in an airtight container in your kitchen. Any excess moisture present can be removed by roasting. I hope you found this video informative. If you liked this video, then subscribe, like, comment and share. See you soon with a healthy recipe. Bye.